Every December, most of the car buyers face this question, face this confusion whether or not to buy a car in December. जो साल के आखिर में कार खरीदने का decision समझदारी वाला सही decision है या नहीं. And even I get those questions every December. So I thought कि क्यों ना एक वीडियो तैयार किया जाए, कुछ बातें, कुछ पॉइंटर्स इसके बारे में बात की जाए. First thing first, your car becomes old within few days of the purchase क्योंकि आप जैसे 2018 की गाड़ी खरीद रहे हैं और तुरंत 2019 होने वाला है तो technically it will be 1 year old car which impacts the resale value of the car. जब आप उसे बेचने के लिए जाएंगे at that time it will be priced according to 2018 model जो भी price list होगी. और इसके अलावा when you are planning to exchange your car at that time also exchange value will depend upon the year of make of that car और इसकी वजह से आपका जो exchange value है वो थोड़ा सा कम होगा. Other point is updates and facelift where we see lots of facelifts happening in January, Feb or March and within few months your car will not only be technically old but cosmetically also and feature wise also. So that ways your car becomes older. इसके अलावा I think the list of advantages is little longer than the list of disadvantages because in December we get fantastic deals. We keep seeing lots of offers and great discounts on many models. और केवल कंपनीज जो हैं मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज उनसे नहीं होते हैं बल्कि डीलरशिप्स भी अपनी तरफ से कई बार डील्स देते हैं तो दैट वेज यू गेट फैंटास्टिक डिस्काउंट. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट वेदर दैट डिस्काउंट दैट वैल्यू is more than the kind of depreciation you might see in the resale value of the car. तो वो कैलकुलेट अगर आप करें कि वहाँ resale value में अगर आपको जितनी कमी हो रही है उससे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा अभी मिल रहा है then you can buy that car. Other point is that mostly in January we see price rise. Many companies have already announced it and many companies might announce it very soon. But generally they increase their prices by some 2-3% every January. तो उस हिसाब से आप थोड़ी सस्ती गाड़ी ज़रूर खरीद रहे हैं. Third thing, which is the most important thing, is that you are getting fantastic exchange offer as well because we know most of the companies are trying to get rid of the old lot और इसकी वजह से कई बार आपको बहुत अच्छे exchange value अपनी पुरानी गाड़ी के ऊपर मिल जाते हैं. तो जैसा मैंने कहा the list of advantages I think is more than or bigger than the list of disadvantages. वहाँ पर कुछ एक पॉइंटर्स ज़रूर ध्यान में रखने वाली बात है. आई नो बहुत सारे लोग जो वीडियो देख रहे होंगे उन्होंने गाड़ी खरीद ली होगी बट आई एम श्योर मैनी पीपल आर स्टिल थिंकिंग वेदर आई शुड बाय द कार इन जनवरी और नॉट. Maybe they'll get fantastic offers on 2018 model in January 2019. So there are certain points which we should keep in our mind when we are making this kind of decision. एक तो ये कि facelift बहुत नज़दीक ना हो. Keep an eye कि कंपनी ने कोई फेसलिफ्ट का ऐलान ना किया हो 2-3 महीने में. उससे होगा क्या कि बहुत जल्दी बहुत ज़्यादा पुरानी आपकी गाड़ी नहीं होगी. Other thing is that you should bargain because we know most of the manufacturers and showroom guys, they are basically trying to let go of the inventory and that is a good time for you to try for a good bargain whether it's some kind of accessory, floor mats or maybe your kind of trim level or variant you have been planning to buy and you can get it for a better price. Also you can try to negotiate with the insurance agency. तो वो bargaining के हिसाब से एक अच्छा time आपके लिए ज़रूर होगा. तो ये सारे pointers थे which I was thinking of sharing with you so that all the viewers who have already made a decision they can look at their decisions in a better way. Also the viewers, the customers who are planning to buy the car in January maybe at 2018 prices they can understand it better. I hope these pointers and the list of advantages and disadvantages help you all. Thank you.